Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain what is determinant and how to find the determinant of a square matrix of order 1, order 2 and order 3. Determinant. To every square matrix we associate a unique number is called determinant of the matrix. Simply, determinant is a function whose input is a square matrix and whose output is a unique real or complex number. That is a determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a square matrix, say A, is denoted this symbol or det A. That is a determinant of a square matrix A. You should read this symbol as determinant of A, not a modulus of A. If A is a matrix of order n cross n, then determinant of A, this matrix, determinant of matrix of order n cross n is called determinant of order n or nth order determinant. Nth order determinant. If a matrix of order n cross n, then determinant of A is called determinant of order n or that is a nth order determinant. Determinant of a matrix of order 1, matrix A is equal to A11, order 1, 1 row, 1 column. So, determinant of this matrix is, replace the bracket by vertical line, that is a determinant of a matrix, that is a element itself. That is a determinant of a matrix of order 1. Determinant of matrix A is that element, single element itself, that is a determinant of a matrix of order 1. For example, matrix A is equal to -2, then determinant of A is that element -2, that is a determinant of matrix of order 1. Determinant of matrix of order 2, consider 2 by 2 matrix, say A is equal to A11, A12, general matrix, A21 second row, first column element, second row, second column element. This is a 2 by 2 square matrix. Now, determinant of this square matrix will be, replace this square bracket by vertical line, that is a determinant. A11, A12, A21, A22. See, here this is a bracket, so it is a matrix. Here vertical lines instead of bracket, that is a determinant. Now, product of these two diagonal elements, that is A11, A22, take the product of the diagonal elements minus product of the off diagonal elements, that is A21 into A12, that is a determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. For example, matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. Now, what is determinant of A? Here, replace this square bracket by vertical line, that is a determinant. 2, 3, 1, 4. Now expand this determinant, that is product of the diagonal element 2 into 4, 8 minus product of the non-diagonal element, that is 1 into 3, 3. 8 minus 6, 3 is 5. That is the determinant of matrix A. Another example is matrix B is equal to sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin theta. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of this matrix B is equal to determinant of sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin theta. This is equal to, first take the product of diagonal element, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta minus cos theta into cos theta minus cos square theta. Minus into minus, here plus. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. In this way, we can find the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Next, I will go to explain to find the how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 square matrix. Determinant of a matrix of order 3. Before going to expansion of determinant, the sign associated to the third order determinant is the sign associated to third order determinant is like this. So first row first element sign is plus, next element is minus, next plus. Then second row first element is minus, then plus, then next element is minus. Next here plus, minus, plus. This is a sign associated to the third order determinant. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now I will show you how to expand the determinant of matrix of order 3. Consider matrix A is equal to, consider general 3 by 3 matrix. A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a general 3 by 3 matrix. Now determinant of this matrix A will be, determinant of A is A11, A12, A13, A21. Let's consider general square matrix of order 3. Now determinant of matrix A is equal to, sign associated to the third order determinant is plus, minus, plus. So sign is here plus, minus, plus. Now I will expand this determinant along first row. Expanding along first row. So determinant of A equal to, right, the element is plus, sign is plus, plus A11, plus A11 is same as A11 into A11 is in first row, first column. So leave this column and this row. Then the remaining is second order determinant. That is determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. That is a second order determinant. Next, here write this minus here, this minus into that element A12 into determinant of, delete this row, column and this row, then it is a determinant of second order determinant, that is A21, A23, A31, A33. Next sign is plus element is A13, delete this row, column and this row, then it is a determinant of second order determinant, that is into A12, A21, A22, A31, A32 is equal to, expand this one, A11, expansion of determinant of matrix of order 2, that is into product of the diagonal element A22 into A33 minus product of the non-diagonal element, that is A32 into A23 minus this A12 into determinant of this, that is A21 into A33 minus product of non-diagonal element, that is A31 into A23 plus A13 into product of diagonal element A21, A32 minus product of the non-diagonal element, that is A31, A22. This is a determinant of square matrix of order 3. For example, consider matrix A equal to, determinant of A equal to 1, 2, 6, 2, 1, 1, 0, 2, 3. The sign associated to the third order determinant is plus, minus, plus. Second row is minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now the sign is plus, minus, plus. Right? Now expanding along first row. First row means expanding along this row. Determinant of A is equal to, that is sign is here plus 1 into determinant of matrix of order 2, delete this row and this column, then take the determinant of this 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into 1, 2. Then sign is here minus 2 into, leave this column and this row, then this is a second order determinant again. So take a determinant 2 into 3, 6 minus 0 into 1, 0. Then sign is here plus 6 into, delete this column and this row, then it again second order determinant. Take the determinant of this 2, 1, 0, 2. Determinant is 2 into 2, 4 minus 0 into 1, 0. Now simplify. 1 into 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 2 into 6 plus 6 into 4, 24. That is 1 minus 12 plus 24 equal to 13. When you expand the determinant along any row or any column, then the value of the determinant remains same. Let's see. Now I expanding along second or first column, expanding determinant along first column. Determinant of A, sign convention is in first column plus minus plus plus minus plus, right? Expand along first column, so the first number is plus 1. Then this is a second order determinant. Take the determinant of this, that is 3 into 1 3 minus 2 into 1 2. Then here second element is sign is minus, so write minus 2. Delete this row and this column, then it is again second order determinant. Expand this determinant, that is 2 into 3 6 minus 6 into 2 12. Then here sign is plus, element is 0 into 2 into 1 2 minus 6 into 1 6. Now simplify. 3 minus 2 1 minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus into minus 2, that is plus 12 plus 0, which is equal to 30. Both answers are same, which means when you expand the determinant along any row or any column, then value of the determinant remains same. Please note this, the value of the determinant is same when we expand along any row or any column.